Jai Swaminarayan, very good evening, Nana.
Jai Swaminarayan sir, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan sir.
Yes, Jai Swaminarayan, Nana. Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan sir, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan, very good evening.
Yes, Swaminarayan sir, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan sir, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan, Govardhan, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan sir, good evening.
Jai Swaminarayan. Last 30 seconds. All of you open the textbook, Nana, page number 155.
Sir, how do fossils form layer by layer, sir?
Layer by layer. Okay. Last 30 seconds fast. 25 members are there instead of 60. Era Prabhu Vargav. Now you are joining. Where you went? Are you sleeping? Shivamani got join అయ్యి మళ్ళీ పోతున్నాడు మళ్ళీ join అవుతున్నాడు. Yes. Let us start. 100 million years ago, some invertebrates on the seabed die. And are buried in sand. More sand accumulates and sandstone forms under pressure. Yeah. You know already about the volcanoes. You know about the volcanoes, magma. Okay. And when it is a volcanoes occurs automatically, when it is depends on the cooling, fast or slowly or layer by layer, like that way depends on the cooling. Different layers of soil is forming. Different stones, sandstone, like that. Different type of stones also forming. Same like that. 100 millions of years ago, so many invertebrates and as well as vertebrates. Invertebrates died. So they died, and different layers are forming on the died animals. Forming because of environmental conditions or climatic conditions or volcanoes. Okay, like that different. So layers of soil is forming. Layers of soil is forming. Maybe sand soil or clay soil or another one red soil, black soil, like that. Different types of soil is forming on the dead bodies. So when we are digging the soil for investigation purpose, slowly, what will happen? Different types of bones are appearing. Or when we are digging the soil, the prints of the animals are forming as it is. For example, in a mud, some animals are died. Okay, in a lake-like structure is there, water is there. In a pond or lake, water is there. Okay, the animals are living in the water. Whatever the aquatic animals are present, living in that water. And what will happen slowly, because of environmental condition or droughts, there is no rainfall, slowly disappear. Water is disappear in that area. And what will happen? Which animals are living in the pond or lake totally died in that area itself, in that place only. What will happen? Slowly, some climatic conditions or disasters occurs, and layer by layer is forming. And in the hundreds or millions of years ago, the farmers are the human beings are there or not, also we don't know properly. Okay, slowly, first only we discussed in the previous lesson. First, our life starts with non-living organisms. From there to living to human beings now, well developed human beings. So like that, the life is started. First, non-living organisms and living organisms, single-celled microorganisms for multicellular microorganisms, or multicellular organisms, like that human beings lastly. So gradually, it won't take within the few years, millions and trillions of years, millions years, 100 millions, like that, millions of years it took place. So here same, the sandstone are under the pressure. You know already, physics, this is about the topic physics. What is there? When we are going to the downside, automatically the pressure and as well as the temperature is increasing. You know already about that. Okay, when the pressure is increasing, when you go down, pressure is increasing means because of pressure only some animals, those who are living in the downside, that they will die because of pressure. And as well, automatically what will happen? Their bodies are decomposed with the soil, and whatever the bones are present is as it is present. If you are not disturbing, millions of years like that only. If you disturb or if you crush, what will happen? Immediately it will mix with the soil and buried in the soil itself. So like that, some fossils are formed in the downside. Millions of years later, dinosaurs living in the area die, and their bodies too are buried in mud. This mud is also compressed into rock. Above the rock containing the earlier invertebrate fossils. Yeah. Here what is there? Millions of years ago, dinosaurs are present on the earth. They are living. Again, dinosaurs lesson about the dinosaurs. Here also it will come. On today's topic also it will come. Now only I will explain about that. So millions of years ago, the dinosaurs are living on the earth. Lived. So what happened? Slowly. Actually, they have the tail. Okay, they have the tail. They have 4 limbs, front and as well as back. 4 limbs they have, and some dinosaurs have the wings also. Even wings also dinosaurs have. How it is evolved? Actually, according to the classification, first invertebrates, afterwards vertebrates. Vertebrates again divided into different pieces, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and afterwards what? Last, mammals. This category already you discussed in the you studied in the 9th class itself. So when it is going on, when the classification is going on like this, means 7 members are waiting in the group. Whatever. See now.
Time to they are keeping some messages in group.
Also, I won't see. For example, we teachers all are concentrating on the studies, our teaching plan, our teaching, our explanation. See, before 6:04 or 6:03, 3 minutes or 4 minutes we will wait. After the 4 minutes, if you join, we won't see the mobile.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is going on. The explanation is going on. We won't concentrate on the mobile. See, just now I opened means 9 members are waiting in the list. 25 to 32 now. Yeah. See, so now he is coming. Who is Nettam Shivaram? Devuda. 10th class came, still you don't have proper manners. Now listen. So what will happen? The tail, these maybe they are living in the, some animals maybe they are living in the cool conditions. They will isolate in that area. Means their body becomes some adaptations. You know about habitat and adaptation in the lower classes you discussed here. We discussed habitat and adaptation. Habitat is a place where animals live comfortably. Adaptation, some special characteristics they have to live in their surroundings or in their habitat. Okay, that is the adaptation. We already discussed. So these animals are adapted in a certain places. So we are, so, yeah. So what will happen from amphibians to reptiles came? Reptiles in the last, what is the dinosaurs are? The dinosaurs have the wings. These wings modified. These reptiles have reptiles means dinosaur is also one type of reptile. Dinosaur is also one type of reptile. It's not a considered as a mammal group. Reptile considered as a reptile. So these reptiles means dinosaurs is having the wings means these wings is generated to the birds. Next generation bird is there. So it is closely to means that birds are very closely related to the reptiles. Birds are closely related to the reptile group. Actually, the wings are present, but they cannot fly. The dinosaurs have the wings, but they cannot fly. Why? You know, these are some birds are flightless birds are also present now also. Why they are not flying? Because of heavy weight. Because of heavy weight. The bones is not having the halo. Inside the bones is not having any halo. Means empty bones are not present. Halo bones are not present in the animals. Such animals cannot fly. So that animals were called as a what? Flightless birds. So these reptiles, whatever the dinosaurs also is there, they have the wings but they cannot fly. Just they used. They are present. What will happen? Next generation, from reptile to birds, the birds totally is fly. They have the wings. The wings are used to fly, and they are living freely. And they are sitting. They are preparing the nest, and they are living inside that. And they are sitting on the trees, and they are living. Okay, like that. So this is a one evolution by stages. Here also dinosaurs. Against millions of years later, the bodies of horse-like creatures dying in the area are fossilized in rocks above the earlier rocks. So one by one, the rocks are forming on the, when the generation is passing, the rocks are forming, or the rocks are forming in the on the earth. One by one. It is forming means the whatever they died in the previous years or in the last millions of years back, they are in the deep in the soil. So this whatever the footprints or prints or structures or bones it is present, these all are the fossils. These all are the fossils. It shows it is present like that. For example, we won't see. We cannot say even our forefathers also didn't see the dinosaurs. 200 back, so our forefathers also didn't see the dinosaurs. So millions of years ago, the dinosaurs are present. Here see, same like that horse, different footprints also present here in the down. Okay, much later by erosion or water flow wears away some of the rock and expose the horse-like fossils. As we dig deeper, we will find older and older fossils. Yes, when we dig the soil deep and deep, we will see older and older fossils we will see. Maybe footprint we will see. Maybe some, for example, I will tell Nana, how can, I think so many members in the 10th class, those who are present in the 10th class, so many members, the 3 years back, I think the tour Delhi, Ranthambore National Park we went. Yes or no? The Ranthambore National Park we went. Tiger places. Yes, 3 members are there. Ritik Shetty, Tallam Shashank, ML Aravind Nayak. See. So there, how they identify the tigers are present here only, are in these areas, means by the help of footprints. By the help of footprints. If they went now only, means immediately they will identify the footprints of tigers, and immediately they will tell, yes, just now the tiger went in this way. So they will move towards that side to showing purpose, to showing the tiger's purpose. Okay, and they will move towards that. If it is present, they will show. If maybe it is entering to the forest, means we cannot see like that. So some, for example, if it is a mud is present, for example, simple example I will tell. Nowadays the rain is falling. Rain is falling. The farmers are cultivated the crops in their fields. In their fields. Now nearly the whatever the crop that is a, maybe it is a mirchi, or maybe it is a cotton, or maybe it is a groundnut, whatever the crop, it is there. Some crops are grown, are germinated. The seeds are germinated, and the plants or saplings are present on the soil or in the field. Suddenly rainfall. Suddenly rainfall. And yesterday, what will happen? Night rainfall. Tomorrow morning, the farmers actually they are usually they are moving, and for watching purpose, how it is too much of water is there. If the water is present in the field, means they will remove the water. Okay, excess of water is present in the field, means they will remove the water. For that purpose, usually they will move towards the, in the morning itself they will go. For example, any animal like fox, like rabbit, are different of this forest animals are there, no? Like that. So any pigs, such type of animals are came and collapse, or whatever the saplings are present, they eaten by some animals, means they will identify easily, because already rainfall, means mud is present in the field, mud is present. They will see the footprint of animals. That footprint is the rabbit, the footprint is the fox, the footprint is the dogs, or the footprint is the pigs. They will clearly identify, yes, అరే మా చేనులోకి ఏవో నక్కలు వచ్చి మొత్తం కొట్టేసుకుపోయినాయిరా, మొత్తం ప్లాంట్లలో నాశనం వేసిపోయినాయి అని చెప్పుకుంటారు. దే ఆర్ సేయింగ్ లైక్ దట్ విత్ దేర్ రిలేటివ్స్. Yes or no? So they will identify like that. For millions of years ago, same such type of one by one soil is forming, and they are present in the like that means that footprint are some whatever the bones are present, they are taking that and they will identify. So this such type of animals are present in these millions of years ago, maybe. So they died. Their skeleton or their bones are like this. Like that they will, we are discussing like that. Now we are discussing. Millions of years ago, dinosaur is present. The dinosaur face is like that. The dinosaur legs are like this. How we identify? Whatever the fossils we find. Whatever the fossils we find, depends on that we are imagining. Imagination. We are imagining like this is present, that dinosaur. We don't know accurately. That is the shape of a dinosaur. We don't know. Exactly shape we don't know. Still we don't know. Just we are imagining. Oh, so like this bones are present means maybe this shape. Like this mouth bones are present means, facial bones are present means maybe like this shape. Like that we are imagination total, whatever the fossils are present. Same like that here, evolution by stages. Here already we about the feathers we discussed. And first para, what is the first para means? Eye. About eye development. Eye development means how the eyes are, already, eye is very important. All the organisms, eyes are very important. So actually, the microorganisms, they don't have the eyes. Okay, single-celled microorganisms not having the eyes. For example, amoeba is having the eyes. No. By the help of pseudopodia only, they are recognizing the danger or is good way. If it is any food particle is there, rounding and going inside, taking inside and eating and living in the pond areas. They don't know. Same like that, planaria. When organism is present, planaria. So plant-like structures are present on the planaria. It's not eye, but eye-like structure is present. Slowly it develops, become into eye. Now the eyes are very powerful. Eyes are present. Even eagle eyes are very powerful than the human eyes. Eagle eyes are powerful than the human eyes. Like that, same ears, powerful ears is having than the humans. Which one? Elephants and as well as tigers. Powerful ears, elephants having. So what means? They are listening a simple sounds also. Even the needle is falling on the ground means such type of sound also they can recognize. Maybe sometimes we cannot recognize such type of sounds. They are listening. They are identifying. They are listening the small sounds also. Even eagle lines, 100 meters height also. It is moving in the 100-meter heights. But they can observe the snake where it is going in the ground, on the ground, or rabbits, or small animals like rats. Immediately they are coming downside and catching the prey and eating and living in the areas, in their habitats. So like that, powerful eyes are present. Slowly it developed, gradually, not suddenly. Takes the millions of years, not 100 years and 10 years. So changing, the DNA is only changing. Slowly, gradually, it develops. Powerful eyes. Okay, that is there in the first para. Second para about the feathers are there. About the dinosaurs feathers, it is there. It is really closely. The dinosaurs are, birds are very closely related to the reptiles, that is dinosaurs. From the dinosaurs here, some diagrams also is there, how the feathers are present in the dinosaurs. Like some as well as see once you see in the figures, same like that. And third para, what is there means about more than 2000 years cultivated wild cabbage as a food plant. 2000 years back also the farmers are cultivated cabbage. Which cabbage? Wild cabbage. From the wild cabbage, it is a natural. Wild cabbage is the natural one. Slowly what will happen? So nowadays, for example, 100 years ago, no pants. Yes or no? Only dhoti and pancha. Back, if you see your forefathers, fathers, grandfather, not grandfather, fathers, if you ask, total only pancha, a white shirt, khadar shirt, like that. Cotton, very popular at the time. So nowadays fashion came, means slowly the man is going towards the artificial side, not natural. So 2000 years back, the wild cabbage is present as a food materials, as a food plant. Slowly what happened, and generated different vegetables from it by selection. From the wild cabbage, different food products are generated. Okay. Now cabbage, one type of one. Cauliflower from there only. From wild cabbage only came. Cauliflower wild cabbage only came. Cabbage now white color cabbage also came from the wild cabbage only. Okay. Here the right side is there. Broccoli is same like that. Cauliflower same like that. Red cabbage same like that. From the wild. Who is the ancestor of these nowadays cabbages means? Cauliflower means wild cabbage. Wild, from the wild cabbage, slowly, artificially, we are selected. This is good. Okay, we have to continue these generations. This is good. Some people are like this. So okay, we have to continue this type of cabbages. Some people are eating the broccoli. Some people are likes leaf vegetables. Okay, leaf vegetables are separating. So we have continue the process of that. Like that, the wild cabbage is there here. Generated different 1 minute, Nana. Power is. Yeah. Once you see them, page number 155, third para. Humans have over more than 2000 years cultivated wild cabbage as a food plant and generated different vegetables from it by selection. This is of course artificial selection rather than the natural selection. So some farmers have wanted to select for very short distance between layers. You know that cabbage as having the layers actually it is a leaf. Cabbage is having the leaves. So having the some leaves, layers are present and the cabbage layers of leaves are present. So there are some members are like that one. See here, some farmers have wanted to select for very short distance between leaves and have bred the cabbage we eat. Some have wanted to select for arrested flower development like cauliflower or broccoli and have bred broccoli or for sterile flowers and have made the cauliflower. Some have selected for swollen pot and come up the kohlrabi. Some have simply looked for slightly larger leaves and come up with a leafy vegetables called kale. Like that, from the wild cabbage, different artificially they selected. How many? Kale, okay, kohlrabi, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage. 5 varieties came from the ancestor, that is wild cabbage. From that only. Okay, this is about the cauliflower, cabbage. On the page 156, another way of tracing evolutionary relationships depends on the original idea that we started with. That idea was that cabbage changes in DNA during reproduction are the basic events in evolution. Underline the word now. Second para onwards. Changes in DNA during the reproduction are the basic events in evolution. Basic events in evolution, which one? DNA, changing the DNA. When it will change, gradually or immediately or at a time? Gradually it changes. Slowly it will change the DNA. Suddenly it won't change. If suddenly change means it's abnormal. Suddenly changing the DNA means abnormal. Maybe they can live or they will die. So slowly, gradually, it will take hundreds of years, thousands of years it will take. Not only 1 year and 10 years. Gradually it changes the DNA. See, for example, If you take your grandfathers, your father's father, grandfathers, that what they ate nowadays, what we are eating, they ate that such type of food items. No. If you take 50 years or 60 years back, if you go 100 years, if you go, there is no artificial fertilizers, organic, inorganic fertilizers. They don't have, only organic. They depend on the manure. That also they only prepared by using of cow dungs like that. But nowadays different. So their food habitat is differ. Our food habitat differ. If you go like that, is hundreds of years it will take. Slowly, if you go, maybe our sons and sons' sons, what we are eating, maybe they won't eat this type of food materials. Maybe we cannot, we won't say exactly this only they will eat. No. So nowadays the gradually the changes will occur in the environment. According to the environment, maybe the DNA is also changed in the body. It will occur. It won't. It is the changes whatever is occurring in the DNA. It won't within the 2 weeks or 2 days or 2 months or 2 years. Slowly, gradually it changes. Gradually it changes. That is basic events in evolution. If that is the case, then comparing the DNA of different species should give us a direct estimate of how much the DNA has changed during the formation of these species. This method is now extensively used to define evolutionary relationships. Okay, that is about today's topic. In this, see, N. Chaitanya already he joined. I only admit, but now he is waiting in the waiting room. Now he is waiting in the waiting room.
Sir, I only have admitted, sir.
See how? Yes. Now, Nana, if you have any doubt in this, please ask me. I'll explain. Otherwise, we'll go 9.6. Evolution should not be equated with the progress or human evolution. Only one period is enough, Nana, to complete this lesson. If this one is completed, means we are very happy, because last pages are last chapters are very general topics, that one. So this is a very important topic, and most of the questions comes from this only. This and as well as that one. Which one?
How
This
to
one.
organisms reproduce.
Before this chapter, what is there? Before this chapter, what is there, Ray? Reproduction.
The
Before
control and
that,
coordination processes.
How do organisms reproduce?
This one. How to organisms reproduce, and hormones are there, no?
Control and
Control
coordination.
and coordination, sir. Control and coordination.
Control and coordination. How do organisms reproduce, and heredity and evolution. These are 3 lessons. If you perfect, out of 28, you will get 25. Or out of 28, you will get 23. Because you get the choice also. You know already that about that. You'll get some choice questions. Okay, maybe they will give the choice, and in that also you will get. So minimum 20 above you will get. In these 3 chapters only 20 above you will get. Less than 20 it won't come. Compulsory 20 marks you will get. Yeah, now ask me, Nana.
Sir, with wild cabbage, which plant was processed, sir, so that it evolved into such varieties?
Once again, wild cabbage.
With wild cabbage, which plant is crossed, sir, so that it evolved into these many varieties?
How it changes into different categories,
Yes, sir.
like a cabbage or red cabbage, like that. No, what I was asking like that. So slowly, Nana, when it is going on, when the generation is going on, when the generation is passing, when the years are passing, automatically some changes occurs inside the cabbage itself. Okay, this cabbage artificially they selected. Okay, it is good. It is this one is good. Whatever it is coming, this one is good. We have to continue this species like that. Actually, how they crossbreed exactly, I also don't know, but I will search. Okay, na? In the next class, if it is any thing is there, means I will give this information about this. Okay, na, Kritik?
Okay, sir. Now wild cabbage is available, sir.
Available, but not here in this area. Actually, we came from where? Nowadays, wild cabbage no one is eating, because that's why it disappear. Wild cabbage is having more nutrients actually, but it is a for seeing purpose it's ugly. Okay, at the time, but at that time in the thousands of years ago, that is a good. That color is good, that shape is good, all is good. But nowadays, the color shape is not good for the in these generations. That's why it disappear. ఏవైతే తినాలనుకుంటున్నామో దాన్ని ఎక్కువగా పండిస్తారు. పండించిన దాన్ని తినని దాన్ని ఎట్లే పండిస్తారా? Disappear. It will disappear slowly. ఓకేనా? ఎవడు అరవింద్ ఎవడరా? ఎన్నిసార్లు వస్తున్నాడు? అరవింద్ నాయక్. Yeah. Please. A human evolution. Just brief introduction about the human evolution. Once you see here, what is there? Actually, Homo sapiens. We are the Homo sapiens. Actually, our birth starts in the Africas. Not in America, not in Australia, not in England. First human beings lived on the earth in the Africa. So our ancestors are Africa. We are all Africans only. Okay. When the population is increasing in the Africa, what will happen for traveling? Actually, in those days, what we call that? The persons are not in one place, not lived in one place. They are searching for different purpose. They are moving one place to another place 24 hours. Some peoples are living in that area only. Some peoples are migrating from that place to another places. There again, some members are living. Reproduction occurs. Some members are living in that area. Again, they will move some members towards another place. Like that, the human beings are spread throughout the country, throughout the earth. Throughout the earth means north and south side, north side and as well as south side, both the sides. Slowly, the population is increasing. Sir, you are telling African. You are telling African. We are all ancestors of African. You are telling our ancestors are African. You are telling, but some members are white in color, some members are black in color, some members are in between the black and white, and some members are red in color. Why? Sinana, according to the atmosphere, according to the climatic conditions, maybe our faces also will change. For example, if you take a Venkateshwar, in 9th, 10th class, 11th
10th class, sir. 10th class.
10th class, black tiger, that is Ramesh is there. This Ramesh is there. If you take him to the near Himalayas, if you live in that area 5-6 years, like in that area only, means automatically their body and as well as their total body is changing, and as well